Hello and welcome to this course on Alzheimer's disease. My name is David Barton and I am very excited that you have decided to join me on this journey to learn more about one of the biggest causes of death in the world today, Alzheimer's disease. I have created this course to help you learn the basics of Alzheimer's disease, to help you gain some valuable insight into the seriousness of the disease, encourage you to set some goals for your health and old age, and to consider some of the factors you need to address to avoid Alzheimer's and enjoy your life as you get older. According to current statistics, almost half of all people watching this video will most likely suffer from Alzheimer's by the time they are 85. And if you are fortunate enough not to have the disease, then you will most likely be caring for someone who does. Personally, I think that this is probably one of the worst diseases because dying from it can be very slow and heartbreaking, gradually robbing an individual of their most precious memories, their personality, and their ability to reason and communicate. It robs them of their friends, family, and loved ones, and then eventually takes their lives as well. The progression of the disease also differs for everyone, as we are all wired differently, and are exposed to different environmental factors like diet and exercise levels throughout our lives. So the way Alzheimer's affects one person may be entirely different to the way it affects another. But there is also a positive side to this problem, because I believe that the prevention of Alzheimer's is to a large degree in your own hands. You have within you the power to either stall or prevent the disease. By developing your own preventative strategy, you can sustain a healthy life until the day you die. But I also believe that if you want to have the best chances of living a full life, with full mental and physical faculties intact, right into your golden years, then you need to start now. I'm not talking about starting way down the track sometime in the future when you're ready to retire. I'm talking about getting started today. It doesn't matter if you are a young adult or an older adult. Your starting age is actually irrelevant. To be blatantly clear, your best chances of prevention require you to start taking action today. I say this with the greatest amount of urgency and respect, because unbeknownst to you, the disease may already be active in your brain, slowly destroying neurons and damaging brain regions. It starts when you're young. And because the damage is small, it goes undetected, but eventually it reaches a tipping point, at which stage you then begin to notice that your memory is slipping. Now, I'm sure you'll agree with me that you don't want to get to the tipping point. So to prevent that from happening, you need to take immediate action by developing a preventative health strategy, which you can sustain for the rest of your life. This appears to be the best defense we have right now against the disease, and many other diseases for that matter. There is no magic pill that you can swallow, and there may never ever be one either. Don't expect scientists, doctors, or pharmaceuticals to swoop in and save the day when it comes to Alzheimer's and dementia. Their powers are seriously muted in this case. You, my friend, are the only one who is holding all the cards. The hand you hold relates to the lifestyle choices you have active in your life today. The strength of your hand decides the success of your game. This course will hopefully get you going on choosing the right cards so that you can hold a winning hand. So what will you learn in this course? This is an introduction course on Alzheimer's. So each section is short and to the point, but it does go into enough detail. In the next section, we will cover topics like what Alzheimer's and dementia is, a brief history of Alzheimer's, possible causes of Alzheimer's, symptoms and the progression of the disease, the global prevalence and the economic cost, what are your chances of getting Alzheimer's, and why prevention is better than a cure. I've added quizzes at the end of each section. They'll help you to reinforce the material and help you to store it in your long-term memory. So once again, thank you for joining me, and I hope that you enjoy learning more about Alzheimer's